eyes and eyebrows, let me talk about the eyebrows first. That's the first thing that I did in today's look. As you can see, I have a nice bold eyebrows going on, which I prefer for bridal looks. So this is the eyebrow palette that I love and recommend. So this is from Wet n Wild. It's the ultimate brow kit, and you have 3 shades, 2 shades and a wax. Okay, you have a wax right here, which I've like clearly used and abused, and I really like this shade. And to deepen the tail bit of it, I like to use the darker shade like right over here, and I mix these powder shades with the wax and then apply it onto my eyebrows. So 2 things are done at a time. You not only fill your eyebrows in, but you also set it in place because it's mixed in with the wax, and it's gonna like glue your eyebrows and make it last very, very long. I've had this makeup for over 1 or 2 hours, I'm not too sure, but yeah, look at my eyebrows. It looks extremely gorgeous and perfect and budge proof. Okay, one eyebrow product for the rest of your life. Before we start with eyeshadows, I want to talk about an eye primer option. Of course, you can use your concealer as an eyeshadow base, but if you want a eye primer recommendation, and this is the one that I use constantly, this is by Essence. It's the High Hard Stage eyeshadow base. I'm not too sure if this is still available on Flipkart. I got this from Flipkart, and if it's available, I'll leave a link to it in the description box down below for sure. Such a great eye primer, makes your eyeshadows last a lot longer. And yeah, this is my eyeshadow look for the bridal makeup tutorial. So yeah, this is such a nice primer. This comes like a concealer, so it comes in sort of like a concealer type packaging with a doe foot applicator, easy to apply, and it's just beautiful. Use it with a brush so that you get an opaque finish on your eyelid. So that's about it. And finally, moving on to the eyeshadows, I have a combination of these 2 palettes on my eyes. Let's talk about them one by one. The first one is the Nykaa 10-in-1 palette. This particular shade is called Smoky at 8. You have all nice neutral tones. I especially recommend the shade Smoky at 8 because all of these shades are perfect bridal look shades. All of them are neutral colors. You have your staple gold, which I have on my eyelids today. I did not wet my brush or anything. I just have it like that, applied using a brush. You can see the intensity for yourself. It's so beautiful, you guys. This gold shade is so nice, and you have a lot of shimmer shades and matte shades. You have a black, which is also nice, although the black is slightly sort of a satin type of a shade. It's not completely matte, which is why I recommend this palette as well. Both of these are not that expensive either. So this is the Wet n Wild 10-pan palette. Everybody loves the variant Rose in the Air, but I love and recommend this particular shade called My Glamour Squad. Look at the shades, you guys. Doesn't it scream bridal look? This is exactly what you need for a bridal look. Not only are the colors very, very appropriate to create a bridal look, but also the quality. The quality of the shadows are so good. The shimmers are great. The mattes are very buttery and so blendable and nicely pigmented. It's not like super pigmented, but it's nicely pigmented for you to, you know, build upon the shadows and blend very easily. They blend beautifully. One of the best palettes I have ever tried in the drugstore category, and I keep going back to this palette. Whenever I'm confused, I immediately pick this palette and I start using the shades in this. So such a gorgeous palette. So these 2 palettes are a must for bridal look. If you need more options for shimmers and bridal sort of a shimmer especially, then this is it. This is called the Nicka K Autumn Spice palette. I guess this is the most viewed video on my channel, and I'm very, very embarrassed of that video because I look so dreadful, and the eye makeup, like, oh my god, I didn't like the way I used to do eye makeup clearly 2 years back, and I guess 1.5 years back. I'm not too sure when I uploaded that video, but that look was so bad. But again, the palette is so gorgeous. I have the swatches in that video if you want to check it out, although it's very, very embarrassing for me, that video. So yeah, the shimmers are so nice. You can see it has like 4 shimmers, super gorgeous and buttery. I'm swatching all 4 shimmers right here, guys. I did not even like dip in that hard. The shimmers are that gorgeous. Okay, don't wet it or anything. You don't need to wet these shimmers because it's gonna apply on its own. If you are wondering, I had a look with curly hair and I had that kind of look in the Cuffs and Lashes video, I guess, and another video, Color Bar Sinful Matte Lipsticks video. So in that look I used this particular palette and the shimmers in it. Gorgeous, you guys, just pick this up. It's so gorgeous. It's always on a discounted price. You can get it for $3.99. You can also get it like 3 palettes for 1,000 rupees or something. Buy it on a discount and you will thank me later. Gorgeous palette. The Sugar Plum palette is also nice. Those are purple tones, but this is very, very nice for bridal kind of looks. Okay, liquid liners or liners in general, liner category, okay, which is very, very important for a bridal look, you know, especially for South Indian bridal looks. We love our kohls, we love our nice liners. I did not go for a winged liner today. I don't prefer wings anymore. Yeah, this is just a normal liner I used on my eyelid, and I used this particular liner. This is by Inglot. This is the gel liner, and I got this on a flat 40% discount, okay. Oh my god, what a deal, what a bargain, what an eyeliner. This is the best gel eyeliner I've ever used. I've tried liners from Maybelline and PAC. Very bad. I was not able to draw that smooth, crisp line on my eyelid. It's gonna tug and pull and just irritate the crap out of me. But this, when I got this, I was like, oh my god, another gel liner. I think it's gonna do the same thing. That's why I got the Duraline with it, so that I can make it work somehow. But no, I didn't have to use the Duraline at all. This on the first go itself was so beautiful. Use a thin eyeliner brush. You get a couple of those brushes from Krylon store. Go to the Krylon store and you can get those thin eyeliner brushes for 100 rupees. I got it yesterday also. I'll do like a vlog style video of that shopping experience, and you'll see those eyeliner brushes in that video. Anyway, coming to this gel liner, very smooth, buttery, matte. Pigmentation is like unbelievably great, okay, and it's extremely matte also. Very beautiful eyeliner, highly recommend. Okay, if you need a liquid eyeliner, you're like, Janani, no, I'm not comfortable with a gel eyeliner. I need a solid liquid liner recommendation from you. I got your back. This is the best. I've tried like probably 20 liquid eyeliners, and this is the one that has stuck with me throughout. Anytime I want an eyeliner that does not fail me, anytime I want a liquid eyeliner that does not fail me, the applicator is great, everything is great. I have to tell the name of it. I just keep on blabbering about this eyeliner, but this is the Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner. This is waterproof. The brush on this is so nice, fine, very, very flexible, so it's very, very easy to draw. The pigmentation is like jet black. Okay, the pigmentation is jet black. It does not budge that easily, and overall, oh my god, I wasted so much eyeliner. I hope I get this on Myntra again. Anyway, my favorite liquid liner ever. I have easily tried 20 liquid eyeliners, you guys, but nothing has come close to this one ever, okay. Very beautiful, matte, jet black, really easy and smooth application. Honestly, the best liquid liner I've ever tried. I don't know why people are not talking about this, or are people talking about this and I haven't seen those videos. Just let me know. This is the best liquid liner, hands down. If I find this on Flipkart or Myntra, I'll link it down below. If it's out of stock, even I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I need this eyeliner in my life, okay. Now coming to kohl pencils, pencil sort of an eyeliner. You need a solid kohl pencil recommendation. This is the one. This is by Faces. It's the Intense Intense Gel Kajal, okay. You get a smudger on the other end. I've used this in so many videos. This is so nice and long lasting. It's rich black, very, very creamy, very, very nice. It glides on so easily. This is the best kajal ever. I'm not a big fan of retractable kajal pencils. I like the pencils that come in this sort of a sharpenable form. You need to buy a sharpener, or no, it actually comes with a sharpener. You need to sharpen these type of pencils, but other than that, a great buy. The best kajal pencil ever. If you're looking out for a gel type kajal pencil that's intense and budge proof, I have it on my waterline today. You can see how intense it is, okay. It's so intense. Love it. Now, coming to mascara. One mascara for the rest of your life. This is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. This is waterproof. It gives nice volume and length. So I have it, you can see it on my lower lash line. On my upper lash line I have false lashes, but on my lower lash line you can see how beautiful my lashes look. Best mascara ever, and I've been recently obsessing over this mascara and I really like it. So that's one solid recommendation for a mascara. Now, if you are that bride who is like, yeah, the mascara is good, but I want to try out false lashes, give me a recommendation of false lashes that is very easy to apply. This, I know my packaging is like very torn apart because I've used this like quite a lot. This is a multi-pack. This is by Ardell. It's the Demi Wispies. Slightly expensive. You can get it on Amazon for about 1,500 for this whole 5-pack thing. You can use one lash for about 6 to 7 times easily. And as you can see, I have only 2 left. Very easy to apply because the band is very thin. Okay, the band is so thin that it becomes very easy for you guys to apply. And honestly, a great pair of lashes that's very easy to work with. And if you're looking for a lash glue, I don't have it right now, you can go for the pack lash glue. It's very great. I use the clear one, the white one that turns clear when it dries out. Not dries out, when it dries it turns clear, so that's the one I use. The pack one is so great, and I would suggest that glue if you're looking for an eyelash glue. Now, for another recommendation, the one that I have on are by the brand called Kalalis. This is quite popular on Amazon these days, on YouTube these days. So many people are buying this. They are buying it from Amazon, and they come with the lash glue itself, you guys. I have one of those lashes on my eyes today. It was a little bit hard to apply, but the lashes, they look so nice and the quality is so good. This lash keeps popping out. I'm not too sure why, but yeah. The quality of these lashes are nice. It's a little bit pokey on the inner corner, but I have sensitive eyes. Any type of lashes are bound to irritate me, so yeah, highly recommend. This is how it looks like. If you want some nice dramatic type of lashes, you can go for this. They have tons of different variants. This is the 3-pack one. They also have like a 6-pack or 10-pack one. I'm not too sure. This is actually very cheap. I got it for 350 or 400 rupees, and I got a glue. I used this glue today and it did do a good job of sticking my lashes on my eyelids. So if you need some eyelash pair with glue, try this out. You can go for the natural ones also. I believe they have some natural pair of lashes as well. With all of the eye items out of the way, what do we have pending other than lipsticks, lip products? So yeah, first of all, I want to tell you guys the lip combination that I'm currently wearing. I actually missed filming the part where I applied the lip liner after I applied the lip shade, but I'm just gonna tell you what I applied. The lip shade that I used today is the Faces Ultim Pro Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer in the shade Bold Wine. Very beautiful color. It matches my blouse, so that's why I have a red color lip shade going on. Now around the edges I wanted to use a lip liner, and I used the Wet n Wild one, but it's not that great, so I ended up using the K-Beauty one, again foolproof lip liner. This is the shade Fame. I just slightly lined around my lips with it, and it gave a nice contoured sort of a look to my lips. Really beautiful. So K-Beauty lip liner. So coming to the recommendations itself, so that's what I have on my lips, and I'm going to talk about the recommendations that I have for lipsticks and lip pencils, lip products in general. For lip balm, you can definitely try out the Nivea lip balm. Best lip balm ever. Prep your lips before you start with your makeup, and you can keep reapplying the lip balm throughout the makeup process, and so that it gets nicely nourished, and once you reach the lip part, you can remove the excess lip balm and then go in with your lipstick, lip products and stuff like that. Lip liners, K-Beauty lip liners are the best. Buy the colors that you need. The colors that I have are High Impact, Hype and Fame. All these colors are so nice. Very beautifully pigmented. Again, like I told in the K-Beauty video, it's not too creamy that it's gonna slip and slide and move your lipstick around this area, but it's creamy enough that it glides on your lips, and it also keeps your lipstick intact in that particular area. I don't know how they came up with this formulation, but the formulation on these are so great. Okay, lipstick, solid recommendations for lipsticks. Close your eyes and pick up a few shades from the Faces Ultim Pro line. This is my favorite lip product ever. Okay, hands down. I've tried so many lip products. You guys know I make a lot of lip swatches, but these ones are just so good. Look at how my lips are looking. It's looking so nice and HD. So that's the sort of finish these give you, but these do transfer. So when you feel that it's gonna transfer, just do this. Okay, just take a tissue paper, do that. The excess will come onto the tissue paper and your lips instantly turn matte and transfer proof. You can reapply for more intensity and do the same thing so that it becomes transfer proof and matte at the same time. So yeah, Faces lip crayons are so good. What are these called? Ultim Pro HD Intense Primer Matte Plus Lips. I have 2 videos watching around 6 shades, 2 shades in one video and 4 shades in another video. You can check it out for swatches. And the next lipstick recommendation is, if you need a red lipstick, okay, then go for this. This is a very beautiful shade by Smashbox, and this is high end. If you're looking for a high end red lipstick, apart from Ruby Woo, I really like the Ruby Woo also, but you need a liquid lipstick, check this out. This is the Smashbox. This is a mini one. Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Bows. Such a beautiful blue toned red shade that I really like, and the formulation, I actually wore this throughout the day. Someday, I don't know when I wore it, but I wore it throughout the day. It did not budge. It did transfer a little bit, but then the lipstick was intact and it did not dry out my lips. This is a liquid lipstick and it did not dry out my lips. I'm like, that's crazy. How did they even make this formulation? The only problem with this lipstick range is that I guess it dries out in the tube pretty quickly, and you will run out of this very quickly, and you want to keep repurchasing this again and again. So that's the only problem. But if you're looking for, like, I want to use it a few times and I want to splurge a little bit for my wedding, then definitely do give this one a shot. Now, if you need a lip shade but in a bullet form and you're willing to splurge a little bit, you could also get the mini. This is the MAC Ruby Woo. Very beautiful lip shade, you guys. My favorite red shade apart from the Smashbox one is this one. Such a beautiful lip color. I really like MAC lipsticks, and this is the best shade out of all the lip shades that I own in MAC. MAC dupes video is coming up. I just filmed it today, and just keep an eye out for it. I'm not sure which video is going to go up first, so yeah, I have a MAC dupes video coming up. So MAC Ruby Woo, excellent lipstick. The other lipstick that I want to talk about is another very beautiful formulation that I recently reviewed, and this is the Color Bar Sinful Matte Lipstick. Okay, I have the packaging intact because I really like the packaging. Such a great formulation. Yeah, it transfers and stuff. You can check out my review for details. This particular shade is called Sin. Okay, if you need a nice pinky nude kind of a color, definitely check this out. The shade Sin is so beautiful, and I really like these lipsticks. So nice and velvety and smooth, pigmented, intense. It does transfer a little bit, but at the same time it doesn't dry out your lips. You can use that trick of removing the excess lipstick to turn it matte and transfer proof anytime. So yeah, again, gorgeous lipsticks. They have tons of shades. You can check out my review for more details on those lipsticks. So yeah, I guess I'm done with all my recommendations for a complete bridal look, along with the container in which, makeup bag in which you can carry all these products, some tools as well. Then yeah, so yeah, I guess I've covered pretty much everything. If you still have any queries or doubts, do reach out to me through the comment section down below. I reply to every single comment, mostly. Okay, almost all comments I try to reply. So yeah, if you have any queries, then comment down below. If you don't have any queries, if you have any appreciation for me for this particular look that I've created, or these recommendations I've given, for any effort, for all of this effort, okay, background, anything you have, anything you wish to say, please let me know through the comment section down below. I would love to read all of your comments. So yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found this useful. If you're watching it, just give this video a big thumbs up. If you like, then yeah, also share, and also don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Tata, bye bye.